Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I will show you a traffic light controller project. I made this project in Quartus Prime. Well, first I will explain you the code. So let's start. In the entity we have 1, 2, 3 inputs, logic inputs. One for a clock of 50 MHz, one input for standby the system, and one input to quickly test the states. Also, I declare 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 outputs, logic outputs. One output for 1 Hz clock. These 6 outputs are for the traffic lights, 2 reds, 2 yellows, and 2 greens. The architecture is state machine, and we need to declare constants and signals for the 1 Hz clock and for the elements in the traffic light control. For the 1 Hz clock, we have a constant integer equals to this long number, a signal name counter, which has a range from 0 to max count, and a signal name select state initialized in 0. The elements in the traffic light control are timers. These timers are for each state, and also we named the states and use 2 signals to process these states. And for the last, one signal named time, which has a range from 0 to time max. The architecture has 4 processes. One named clock generator. This is for the 1 Hz clock, and we use the 50 MHz clock, the select state, and the counter. In this process we are looking for the rising edge of the 50 MHz clock. If the counter is less than max count, the counter increase 1, else we invert the value of CLK state and return the counter to 0. In the second process named second out, we assign the value of CLK state to the CLK. This is for we can see the 1 second cycle in the development board. The third process is to establish the state machine sequence. Here we use CLK state and standby. We declare a variable named count, which is an integer with range from 0 to time max. If the standby input is high, immediately the state pass to be YY, which means we have turned on the 2 yellow lights, and the variable count return to 0. Else we looking for the rising edge of the CLK state, and in this the count increase 1, and if the count is equal to time, which is the time assigned to each state, we pass to the next state and return the value of count to 0. And finally, the fourth process is where we declare the output values for the green, yellow, and red lights, the next state in each state, and also we assign a range time in the variable time. And after all this speech, I can show you the model. So then this is the model. Here is the traffic light 1 and here is the traffic light 2. And to test it, here's 2 vehicles. So in this case, this could proceed until the yellow light turn on and then the red light. And for here, this one stop and the other can proceed. And here are the inputs. You can see the CLK of 1 Hz, and this switch is for the standby, and that's the standby state. And if we can test all the states in one cycle time, we turn off the switch, and as you can see, there is all the states in fast time. So that is all, my friends. Thanks to see and bye.